Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about long division of polynomials. Now remember that long division of polynomials is similar to the long division that we have learned from our elementary teachers. Let's have our first example. What is the quotient of x cubed plus 7x squared plus 7x minus 6 divided by x plus 2? Remember, in our elementary days, a division sentence is composed of a dividend, divisor, and a quotient. X cubed plus 7x squared plus 7x minus 6 is our dividend, and x plus 2 is our divisor. Now we are asked to look for the quotient, which is the answer in a division sentence. Okay, let's solve. So, dividend natin is x cubed plus 7x squared plus 7x minus 6 divided by x plus 2. So, let's start with the first term, yung x cubed. Divide that by x. That will give us x squared. And then x squared, you multiply that to x plus 2. We will have x cubed plus 2x squared. Okay, subtract and then change the sign of your subtrahend. So, yung positive magiging negative at yung positive magiging negative din. So, x cubed minus x cubed ay magiging 0 na yan. So, matitira na lang is for you to subtract 7x squared minus 2x squared. So, this one will give us 5x squared. And bring down mo din yung 7x. Okay, next step. Place ko lang yung ibang details dito. Okay, so sunod na step natin is yung 5x squared. Ito naman yung i-divide mo kay x. Okay, so 5x squared divided by x will give us 5x. Then, multiply mo ulit. So 5x times x plus 2. So that will give us 5x squared plus 10x. Sunod is for us to subtract. So when you subtract, you change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, so magiging 5x squared minus 5x squared, magiging 0 na yan. So matitira na lang is 7x minus 10x. And since ang negative 10x ay may higher value, okay, so copy natin yung sign of the bigger number. So negative 3x yung magiging sagot, i-bring down din natin si 6. So maiiwan is negative 3x minus 6. Okay, so next step natin, negative 3x, divide that by x. So makukuha natin ay negative 3. Then sunod, negative 3, multiply natin kay x plus 2. So we'll have negative 3x minus 6. So clear ko lang yung ibang sinulat natin. Next is for you to proceed to subtraction. So, pag nagsusubtract, you change the sign of the subtrahend. Ang negative magiging positive. So, since magkaiba yung sign ng negative 3x at positive 3x, magiging 0 na to. At yung negative 6 plus 6 will also give us 0. So, dito ay 0 yung remainder. Now, what's the answer in the problem earlier? So, x cubed plus 7x squared plus 7x minus 6, kapag dinivide mo siya sa x plus 2, the quotient is x squared plus 5x minus 3. Let's solve problem number 2. What is the quotient of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 6 divided by x minus 1? Now remember that this is our dividend, this is our divisor, and we are asked to look for the quotient, which is the answer in a division sentence. Okay, let's solve problem number 2. Okay, x cubed, divide that by x, you will get x squared. Then x squared, multiply mo kay x minus 1. So that will give us x cubed minus x squared. Delete ko lang sandali. And then, proceed to subtraction by changing the sign of your subtrahend. And then x cubed minus x cubed by 0 na. And then 3x squared plus x squared will give us 4x squared. And then bring down nyo yung katabi, which is negative 2x. So 4x squared, divide natin naman to by x. So magiging 4x. And then multiply ulit sa ang 4x sa x minus 1. So that will give us 4x squared minus 4x. Place ko lang sandali. Next is to proceed with subtraction. Change the sign of your subtrahend. And then, subtract natin to kasi magkaiba ng sign. 0 na yan. And then, negative 2x plus 4x. Unlike sign, subtract, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, magiging positive 2x. And then, you bring down yung positive 6 dito. Next step is, this 2x, i-divide nyo naman kay x ulit. So, 2x divided by x is equal to 2. Positive 2 yun. Lagay sa taas. And then, positive 2, multiply nyo kay x minus 1. That will give us 2x minus 2. Okay. Proceed to subtraction. Change the sign of the subtrahend. And then, 2x minus 2x will give us 0. And then 6 plus 2 will give us 8. So, wala na tayong i-bring down dito. So, ito na yung natitira natin. So, this is our remainder. So, sa ating quotient, how do we write the quotient? So, a quotient is x squared plus 4x plus 2. Since may remainder tayo, follow this. 8 over x minus 1. Let's have problem number 3. Ito medyo mahaba-haba. What is the quotient of 2x raised to 4 plus x cubed minus 9x squared minus x plus 6 divided by x plus 2? So, ito yung ating dividend. Ito yung ating divisor. Hinahanap natin is our quotient. Okay, let's solve problem number 3. Now, remember, meron tayong 4 steps in dividing polynomials. So, first step is to divide. Sunod ay multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Start tayo dito sa ating problem number 3. So, 2x raised to 4 divided by x will give us 2x cubed. Sunod na step is to multiply. 2x cubed times x plus 2 will have 2x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed. Subtract tayo. Change the sign of your subtrahend. So, yung negative magiging positive. At yung positive magiging negative. So, 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 is 0. Cancel na yan. Then, positive x cubed minus 4x squared will give us negative 3x cubed. And then, bring down natin si negative 9x squared. Next step, divide na naman tayo. Negative 3x cubed divided by x will give us negative 3x squared. Sunod is to multiply. Negative 3x squared times x plus 2 will give us negative 3x cubed minus 6x squared. Clear ko lang yan. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 3x cubed plus 3x cubed will give us 0. Negative 9x squared plus 6x squared will give us negative 3x squared. Bring down si negative x. Base lang tayo ulit. Balik tayo sa division. So, negative 3x squared divided by x will give us negative 3x. Multiply naman. Negative 3x times x plus 2. Negative 3x squared minus 6x. Sunod na step is to subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, yung negative magiging positive. Negative 3x squared plus 3x squared ay 0. Then negative x plus 6x ay positive 5x. And then bring down si positive 6. Okay, so may dalawa pang term tayo dito. 5x divided by x is equal to positive 5. And then multiply ulit. Positive 5 times x plus 2 ay 5x plus 10. Delete lang tayo ulit para malinis. Okay, change the sign of the subtrahend. So yung positive magiging negative. Then 5x minus 5x ay 0. Positive 6 minus 10 will give us negative 4. So yung negative 4 is our remainder. Now the quotient in this problem is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 5 with the remainder 4 over x plus 2. I hope you learned something today. Kung nahihirapan, pwede namang ulitin yung video. And if you find this video helpful, huwag ipagdamot yung likes. Share mo na rin to help others and subscribe to be updated.